All right, good morning, everybody. Back in action today. Two trades on the video today. One on a Tesla option, and then one that I actually didn't get recorded because the trade happened while I was editing the video at about 12:40. But I did go back and just record a little clip right afterwards, right after the trade happened. So we'll at least see the results there. So let's get into the video. Let's trade.
Go!
All right, first trade of the day today was on Tesla, and this was actually on a call option. I was trading the weeklies, this week's call options at the 11.50 strike price, and I was just looking for a tiny pullback here, which we got into the previous support resistance zone down around that 10.95 level. So I decided to start in one option contract there and got into an average of 465 on that premium. So I was just looking for a little win here, thinking this thing might pop back up towards the 1100s, maybe run a little bit further, but I wasn't looking for too much overall. So it ends up sitting here for a while and just kind of stalls out for a few minutes. Actually, all right, so it sat there for a little while, went a little bit lower, never find a spot I was really excited about adding another contract into, and then it finally starts popping here again, popping back up to the 9 and the 20 SMAs there. So I'm looking at the premiums, which unfortunately I always forget you can't see when I'm on this screen, the options level 2. But they're sitting right around 5 now. I'm like, all right, if we get a little move through 5, I'll be happy to sell it off at 510. If we get any kind of pop back up here towards 1100, we should get 510 pretty easily. So it's sitting here on the SMAs for just a little bit here, kind of bouncing back and forth, trying to decide what it wants to do. The market was going up a little bit at this time on a bounce. As you guys know, it kind of went up to start the morning and then went down throughout the rest of the day. So watching it here, it's trying to break up through the SMAs there, and it finally is going to make a little bit of a move, give the pop through 5 on the premium price, and it does get me filled at 510. So going to take this one off here at 510, just a small scalp here on this Tesla option contract, and as you can see, we get filled right there. So making $45 on the trade. At least I finally got one in. This was about 10:30, so an hour into market open already before the first one. Second trade, unfortunately, like I said, didn't get recorded, but it was on BZ. It hit hard on the intensity scanner, the negative intensity scanner to the downside. Got a really good fill there, 13 cents off the bottom, and then it popped up within that same candle there, and it just took that quickly with 100 shares for a 78-cent, $78 win. Sorry I didn't get that one recorded. I was actually editing the Tesla portion of this video when it hit. But that's going to do it for today. So up $123, 2 for 2 on green days to start the week. Still nothing crazy. Still market's a little bit slower than I would really like, especially at this time of year. But hopefully we'll start to pick up soon. Maybe things will stop bleeding a little bit, and we'll get into some cooler action. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you later.